How do I handle a fire damage claim with my insurance company?
So, fire damage claims can run a big gamut. They can run from a small kitchen fire that's released a lot of smoke into your home, all the way up to a structure destroying fire. And first of all, it's important to make sure that you and your loved ones are safe and healthy and out of the home. Even for a small kitchen fire, there's an enormous number of chemicals that are released into your home from that fire, and you want to remove yourself to a safe place first. And then you want to talk with the fire professionals that are on the scene and get their advice about whether your home is even safe to be in, depending on the extent of the damage. Once those two things have been accomplished, then you should talk with your insurance company and tell them both what the fire professionals have told you and your experience with the fire itself. And then your insurance company should be able to guide you through that process from there.
What steps are involved in a fire damage restoration process?
The steps involved in a fire damage restoration process are numerous. I think the first most important step is to remove yourself from the affected area and make sure that you and your loved ones are safe. After that's been taken, you should notify your insurance company and select a restoration company. Once your restoration company arrives, they can tell you, based on the extent of the damage, what the steps are. Typically, what we'll see in a fire damage is there's a mitigation phase. So what restoration company will do is they'll come into your home immediately after the fire. Once fire professionals have said it's safe to go in, they'll begin cleaning critical items to prevent further damage. So any metals in your home that can be affected by the heavy levels of acidity in the soot will get cleaned right away to try and preserve those from further damage. And then they'll further remove smoke and soot from affected areas if the house is in a state where it can be preserved. And once the house is cleaned, meaning we've removed all of the soot, we've removed the smell, and we've removed all the contamination from that fire, then the restoration company should be able to come in and begin rebuilding any damaged or affected areas.